This is our LabCon static dissipative flooring. It's conductive on the bottom, static dissipative on the top. What I'm going to do is test the electrical resistance to ground. So I've got a groundable material here, which is not the flooring. When I press my test button, I get 4.9 times 10 to the 6th. So that's just under 5 million ohms. The static dissipative range goes all the way from 1 million to 1 billion. So this is in the very lower end of static dissipative. When I test it from point to point, so instead of to the ground, probably going to be slightly higher, and it's 1.1 times 10 to the 7th. Still in the lower end of static dissipative from point to point. Now here's the real test. I'm going to take this old school analog static meter, which is measuring 0 right now. I'm going to take this metal plate. I'm going to charge up the plate. That's why I've got the trash barrel here. And when I do, I get a lot of static electricity. I'm going to take the plate, drop it on the material. Charge is gone. Let's do it again. Charge, drop it on the material, gone. So I can dissipate, I can meet the right resistance range for a table covering or a floor covering, and it works at any relative humidity.